Welcome back to TrulyFun Toys. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be the first to see our fun videos that are posted every single day.
Today, we're going to play with this awesome monster truck carrier. And we're going to play with this colorful truck with blue, green, and orange. And let's play with it now. Hooray! Hooray!
Cool.
Let's see what monster truck is the fastest by racing.
Yeah!
Dinosaur.
Versus
Shaker. Heat it up. Let's put Tiger Shark over here. Shaker. Heat it up. This is the starting line. This is where the trucks race to see who's the fastest. And this is the finish line. 3, 2, 1, go. Tiger Shark wins! Yay! Tiger Shark's the winner. We're going to put the winners on the big bone shaker hauler. Our next truck is going to be Grave Digger and 4-wheel Hive. Yay! What truck do you think's going to win? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Yippee! 4-wheel Hive is the winner! Put them in the box. Our next truck is going to be Hissy Fix. Other truck's going to be Water Dodger. Give me a thumbs up if you like Water Dodger or Hissy Fix. 3, 2, 1.
cool.
Hissy Fix! Hissy Fit. Water Dodger's out. Hissy Fit's going on the next round. Yay! Hissy Fit wins! Hooray! Our next trucks are going to be Big Kahuna versus Wild Street. This is Big Kahuna. This is Wyatt Street. 3, 2, 1. Big Kahuna is going on next round. Woo-hoo! Our next race is going to be with Northern Nightmare. Chassis Snapper. Give me a big thumbs up if you like Chassis Snapper or Northern Nightmare. 3, 2, 1. Chassis Snapper wins! And Northern Nightmare is out. Our first round is complete! Yay! On to the next round. We have 2 more races, then it's the finals. Who do you think's going to win?
I'm flying!
4-wheel Hive. 4-wheel Hive is going on the next round. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Woohoo! Our next race is going to be with Chassis Snapper and Hissy Fit. Okay, let's... 3, 2, 1. Hissy Fit. Woozy. Now it's time for the final round. Final round is going to be with chassis snapper, and four-wheel hive. 3, 2, 1. Chassis snapper went in reverse. Oh my gosh! Chassis snapper is the big winner today. He gets the big trophy. Hooray! Yay! Let's check out this awesome bone shaker haul. Make sure you stay tuned for the end of the video so we can open this Hot Wheels supplies bag. Let's see if they can jump over our awesome Wyatt. It broke.
Did they break?
Yep. This is Wild Street. He's blue, red, yellow, and he's white with a zebra. Let's see if he can slide down the ramp. This is Sasquatch. Sasquatch looks like a Bigfoot. This is Chassis Snapper. He has a snapping turbo on him. And let's see if he can go down the ramp. That's a good jump. Bone Shaker is black, has a skeleton, fire, and a Hot Wheels badge, and some smoke. Let's see if he can go down the jump. A big Bone Shaker. Bro. This is Hissy Fit. He has a snake sculpture, and a wheel snake. Let's see if he can go down the ramp. Bye, Hissy Fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tiger shark. It looks like a tiger and a shark mixed. And he also has sharp teeth. That was a big smash. Let's try it again.
Okay.
Crustation. The lobster. Let's see how fast they can go on the ramp.
Okay.
Whoa, that was cool. Four-wheel hive. This is four-wheel hive. Yellow.
Yellow.
Gold.
Go.
Bees.
B.
And a big bee right here too. This is our last truck, and it's Big Kahuna. This is Big Kahuna, and he's blue. 2 surfboards on the back. And let's see how fast he can go on the ramp. I'm gonna choose one of my favorite monster trucks, Tiger Shark. Let's see how good he can jump. It's part 2 Hot Wheels car. Sticker box. Oh, I found it. Yeah, we found it. On the top. Over racing Bone Shaker. No. Yep. See on? No. Right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no, it landed on its roof.
It has no roof.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
That's the end of the video. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Bye!